Hi, my name is Daniela and today I'm going to read two stories taken from the book Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls, written by Elena Favilli. The first story I'm going to read is about Angelica Rozeanu, who was a table tennis player. Once upon a time, there was a young Romanian Jewish girl who was a natural athlete. But she didn't have a favorite sport, at least not at first. Angelica loved swimming, tennis and cycling. But one day, as Angelica later described it, a new sport found her. When she was around 8 years old, Angelica got scarlet fever. Scarlet fever was a serious illness, and it took a long time to get better. Angelica's brother, Gaston, wanted to find a way to entertain his sister as she recovered. He brought home a paddle, ball and a net and introduced Angelica to table tennis. Angelica was a quick learner. With dancer-like footwork and quick reflexes, she began to play competitively and won her first national championship when she was 15. In 1940, however, her athletic career suddenly stopped. Romania joined forces with Nazi Germany. As a result of the many restrictions put on Jewish people in Romania at the time, Angelica was unable to play the sport she loved. When the war ended, Angelica once again picked up her paddle. In 1950, she became the first Romanian woman athlete to win a world championship. That year, she also became president of the Romanian Table Tennis Commission. Over her career, Angelica won at least 15 national championships and 17 world championships. In 1960, after experiencing more discrimination in her home country, Angelica immigrated to Israel. In 1981, Angelica was introduced into the International Jewish Sports Hall of Fame. Her motto was, "I preferred table tennis," or perhaps, "If you like table tennis, preferred me." Now I'm going to read a second story about a journalist and media critic. She was called Anita Sarkeesian. Anita loved video games. As a little girl growing up in Canada, she begged her parents for a Nintendo Game Boy of her own. When she was in high school, she spent hours playing on the computer. Video games were fun, and they made her happy. But as she got older, she noticed something that bothered her. There were hardly any female game characters, and extremely few strong, positive female ones. This wasn't the first time Anita had noticed something amiss in the media. When she was younger, Anita had seen that people from Iraq, the country her parents were from, were often portrayed on television as scary or bad. She didn't see any representations that looked like the people she loved. Anita realized that sometimes the media told stories that weren't accurate or left important things out. Anita started her own website, a blog called Feminist Frequency. She posted a series of videos in which she talked to viewers about the way women were depicted in video games. Her videos were smart and funny and made people in the gaming industry think about how to make their products better for men and women alike. But some men who saw the videos didn't want to hear any new ideas. They called her ugly names. Some even threatened to hurt her. Anita refused to be silent, and the more she spoke up, the more people listened. Today, there are more women than ever in video games, both as characters on the screen and as engineers designing them. So, table tennis. Have you ever tried playing table tennis? Do you like the sport? And about Anita, the journalist. Have you ever played a video game where it was full of female characters? And do you have a best female character in the video games?